So the next one is logs. So logs will be helpful you to prevent accidentally deletion or modification of any Azure resource. So if you don't want someone to delete your resource, you can able to apply the logs. Or if you someone don't want to modify your script, or if you don't want to modify your instance type or any sort of resource, then you can able to apply these logs. I will show you how this will be helpful by using the virtual machine. Let me navigate to the Azure console. So right now I am on the virtual machines console. If you click on test and if you scroll down, you can see that logs here. So if you click on logs, it will open the screen. So you can see that there are no logs at present. If you click on add, you just give a log name as name and log type as a read only, or you can give delete and give don't delete like some notes, and just click on OK. Now the log get created. Now let me I will go to overview and try to delete this particular VM, and click on S, and it is telling failure to delete the virtual machine. Why? Because of log. You can see please remove the log and try again. So that is how we can use the logs. Like that, there is one more log called read only. If you click on logs, and if you don't want someone to be modified, and you can give read only log and click on test and just test2 and click on don't do anything, some text, and don't delete, and this one is the message read only. So if someone is trying to upgrade this particular, so if they are trying to restart, it won't allow because lock is there. If they are trying to upgrade some instances, it won't allow. So like this, the locks will be helpful. Let us see about the Azure Blueprints. So Azure Blueprints enable cloud architects to define a repeatable set of Azure resources that implement and adheres to the organization standards, patterns, and requirements. And Azure Blueprints enable development teams to rapidly build and deploy a new environment with the knowledge that they have built within the organization compliance within a set of built-in compliant that speed up development and delivery. So it is very simple. Like imagine you have a developer team, you have a developer some sort of solution adheres to your organization, and you deployed that into a non-production. Tomorrow you want to deploy a same solution to the UAT or SAT, so you are going to use that particular blueprint, and you are going to deploy that solution to another environment also. Like that, these Azure Blueprints will be useful. Let's see about the subscription governance. So whenever there is a resource in the cloud, there will be a certain limits that will be there with any sort of resource in the cloud. So let us see what are the limits that are available in the Azure also. So this is the URL. I will keep this in the description. So Azure subscription service limits, quotas, constraints, everything will be listed over here. So right now, if you want to check for the virtual machines, you just search for the virtual machines. So these are virtual networks. Like that, you can search for any resource. So virtual machines. These are the limits for the virtual machines. Virtual machines per cloud service, it will be 50. So whenever you want to increase the limit, you can call up the Azure support and increase the capacity of this. So like this, you can find for the every resource that are available in the Azure. I hope this help you. Thank you.